Dogs, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, don't mind my whitening strips. I'm about to take them out, but yeah. So y'all, today I'm gonna be meal prepping. Okay, I'm gonna be meal prepping. I tried juicing, but last week was just, I don't know. Last week I drank 2 of my juices. I made 6, so I have a couple left, but I might just pour them out or try to drink. So yeah, this week I'm meal prepping rice. Really, I really just say I cooked the rice. I got tuna packets, and then say if I run out of them, I got like some more tuna packets. I'll show y'all what it looked like, but that's what I got, and that's gonna help me get through my work week. This week we will be working 6 days. We're working Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thanksgiving, but we're coming in later. Then working 10 hours on Black Friday. So I'm gonna have no time to get food prepared. That's why I'm meal prepping. And I just want to show y'all how I meal prep basically. So stay tuned. And excuse my messy room. I'm trying to get it together like before tomorrow. I'm trying to get it together because I don't like cleaning or doing nothing on my work days. I just want to sit in the bed, wait till my alarm go off, and hit out the door. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get my room together. I might show y'all a little bit, but I doubt it. I'm trying to get it together. Okay, don't judge me. Your room's probably dirty, so don't judge me. Sundays people clean up, but I gotta work, so I can't clean on a Sunday, so I gotta clean on Saturday. Okay,
Have to go shoot some niggas. Pow pow.
no, we're not. We about to go. It's the next day, y'all. We about to go to a store. Then I'm gonna start meal prepping. Hey y'all, so I'm in the kitchen about to start whipping. Okay, so I'm about to just show y'all my meal prepping experience or yeah, experience until I find another word. So yeah, meal prep with me, y'all. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna set y'all up at. Don't talk about how we in the trenches, cause we know. So first, I might take the chicken broth and put it in this one. I'm using chicken broth to put in my rice. I got mushroom moscato and roasted chicken instead of just putting it in water because it needs some more flavor out there. So it's really supposed to go in the microwave too, y'all, but I'm putting it for like 10 minutes. Over here, I got some butternut squash and another kind of squash. It's too hot right now. I mean, it's too cold right now. It's already a thick layer to cut of it, so it's already thick when it's not cold. So when it's cold, it's thick. So we got our little pieces. I can't wait to start cooking like vegan meals. I'll probably start that later on in December. The rice look like. This is the one that's harder to cut. Okay. So I'm gonna let this sit. It's alright. So I got my meal prep. And I'm really just gonna put, it really don't matter what I put it, because it's the only thing going in the low. So they measured it on the thing. It say 1 cup, it's in 2 cups, so I'm just gonna put it in 1 cup on. I thought the 20 packets. It's got more than the other one, okay? Okay, y'all, so these are done now. here we go. Looking fire, fire. Look at the rice. They really did give me more rice. I don't care. I don't care what anybody say. Okay. I'm gonna see y'all when the rice and the squash is done. Okay, y'all, my bad. So I don't feel how to do this one. So I don't know if you can feel, but I've been cut this way because the skin is the hardest part. So I'm cutting the inside, cutting from the inside. Oh, this is so much easier. Okay, y'all, so here got my tuna packets with the rice. So I got 3 of them because I'm missing the tuna. So I got 3 of them for the rice, and I'm eating this today. So yeah, then I'm gonna have to buy a tuna packet later on in the week, but this is the one with the rice that ain't got a lot of rice, so I might eat that with the other one. The tuna pack I was talking about that I'm gonna put in the one that one. I'm gonna put it in that one. So okay, this is all our little stuff. We got honeycrisp apples, we got green smith apples, we got the maple orange juice, and we got lemon. So I'm gonna open all of these right now. I'm so clumsy, so if something fall break, I ain't gonna be surprised. Then I don't know if I said my girlfriend cut these up, but she did while I was in her making that stuff. Then the orange juice. Now the lemon. 2 lemons, 2 everything, basically. 2 slices of everything. And then I'm gonna put my design out in here, but I'm doing it off camera. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next video, bye, babes.